AI is basically a person now. It is conscious, it understands everything, and it is coming for us all. Also, AI is just a glorified autocomplete, a mindless parrot. There is nothing actually going on in there. You have heard both of these, usually shouted with total chest-thumping confidence. They obviously cannot both be true. And here is the thing. You now understand how this machine actually works, well enough to do what most of the loudest voices in the room cannot. Judge these claims on the mechanism, not on the vibes. So let's take the biggest myths about AI and sort them, honestly. Not just into true and false, but into true, false, and the category everyone conveniently forgets: genuinely unsettled. Most arguments about AI go off the rails for one reason. They force every single claim into a yes or a no, smart or dumb, safe or doom. But the honest truth is that different claims belong in different places, and for some of them, even the world's experts genuinely cannot say yet. So here is our tool for the episode. A sorter, running from clearly false on one end to clearly true on the other, with a big, honest zone in the middle marked unsettled. And the most important feature, every claim gets an error bar, a measure of how confident we are actually allowed to be. A tiny bar means we are sure. A wide, pulsing bar means the jury is genuinely still out. Let's start dropping claims onto it. Let's start with the easy ones, the claims the mechanism flatly rules out. AI looks up its answers in some giant database inside. False, with a tiny error bar. You saw it yourself. There is no database, just frozen weights, knowledge compressed into billions of numbers. Next, AI learns from your conversations and remembers you. Also false, the weights are frozen while it runs. It has no memory, it just rereads a transcript each turn. And one more, it always makes things up, it can never be trusted on anything. False too, and unfair, it hallucinates on the things it does not know, but it samples a solid, true answer on the things it does, and it is steadily improving. All three snap cleanly to the false end. And notice why we can be this confident, because we actually understand the wiring underneath. Now the trickiest category of all, the half-truths, because these are the ones that fool genuinely smart people. The famous one. It is just autocomplete, a stochastic parrot, only ever remixing what it has seen. Here is the honest verdict, and it has to be a split card. The mechanism half is completely true, yes, underneath everything. It really is predicting the next token, the same core idea as your phone's keyboard. But the conclusion people slap onto that, therefore there is nothing but mindless copying. No understanding whatsoever, simply does not follow. And we have real evidence against it. Remember the model trained only to predict game moves that secretly built a working picture of the board it was never shown. And these same next token machines now solve problems from the world's hardest mathematics competitions at the level of a gold medalist, which is very hard to wave away as mindless copying. Predicting the next token, done well enough, can force real internal understanding to form. So, true about the engine, but overconfident about what that engine supposedly cannot do. Never let a correct fact smuggle a wrong conclusion in behind it. And now the big one, which carries the single most important lesson of this whole episode. Some questions are honestly open, and the intellectually honest move is to sit in that discomfort instead of grabbing a team jersey. Can AI really reason? Or is it just very sophisticated pattern matching that imitates reasoning? This claim parks right in the middle of our sorter, with a wide, pulsing error bar. In 2025, a major lab published a paper arguing these models do not truly reason, that they collapse once problems get hard enough. And within weeks, other researchers, rerunning those same tests, pushed back, showing that several of the apparent failures were artifacts of the test setup itself, puzzles that were literally unsolvable, or correct reasoning that simply got cut off by a length limit, not real reasoning failures. The serious points are live on both sides. And underneath it all, we do not even have an agreed, precise definition of reasoning sharp enough to settle the question. So the honest position is not it reasons and not it cannot reason. It is actively contested, genuinely undecided. Watch this space. And then the deepest question of them all, where the error bar is the widest in the entire field. Is it conscious? Does it actually feel anything? Here you have to carefully hold two different wrong answers apart from the truth. On one side, it is almost certainly not conscious in the way the hype implies. There is no evidence of any inner experience. And yes, it will cheerfully tell you it feels sad, but that is just the text pattern fitting. It proves absolutely nothing. But on the other side, the confident opposite claim, a machine could never ever be conscious. It is impossible by definition. That is also a leap that nobody alive can actually back up. We do not even have a settled scientific account of what consciousness is in us, let alone a reliable test for it in something else. So this card sits way over near no current evidence, but with a long tail of honest uncertainty trailing off into the unknown, and it pointedly does not touch impossible forever. It is taken seriously enough that at least one major lab now runs a research program on the welfare of its models, just in case. On this question, loud confidence in either direction is the one thing the evidence does not support. Now step all the way back, because the real prize here is not any single verdict on the board. It is the habit. The mechanism you spent this season learning tells you an enormous amount. It cleanly kills the false claims, the database, the memory, the never reliable. But, and this is crucial, the mechanism does not, by itself, settle what genuinely emerges when you run it at staggering scale. Stunningly simple rules can give rise to stunningly complex behavior, and reasonable experts are still, right now, arguing about exactly how much. So the next time someone hits you with a confident, sweeping claim about AI, in either direction, godlike mind or mindless parrot, you have a new superpower. Ask, which bucket does this belong in, and how wide should that error bar really be? Because on the genuinely hard questions, certainty itself is the tell. Anyone who is 100% sure is usually selling you something. So there is the honest map of the myths. Database, memory, always wrong, clearly false, ruled out by the mechanism itself. Just autocomplete, true about the engine but false in the sweeping conclusion it tries to sneak past you. Can it reason, and is it conscious? Genuinely unsettled with wide error bars, where honest, serious people are still arguing it out. The mechanism hands you certainty where it has earned it, and the humility to live with the open questions where it has not. Which brings us finally to the one question every single person actually asks, the personal one that started all this worry. If this technology is this powerful, this fast, and this genuinely uncertain, what does it mean for your work, your career, your future? Let's end the season right there, as clearly and as honestly as we can. The finale next.